When it comes to your brain and your eyes, nature has already provided some of the most powerful medicines, and they are not found in a pharmacy, but in the palm of your hand. Tonight, before you go to bed, you can begin a ritual that will work silently while you sleep, repairing your vision, strengthening your memory, and restoring clarity to both your mind and your eyes. This ritual requires nothing more than 3 powerful dry fruits that have been treasured for centuries for their healing properties. Walnuts are one of the most powerful gifts of nature when it comes to strengthening both the brain and the eyes. Their very appearance resembles the human brain, and this is not by coincidence. For centuries, different healing traditions have recognized walnuts as brain food, and today modern science confirms their remarkable ability to support memory, cognition, and vision health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, walnuts work at a cellular level to protect and repair. When consumed before bedtime, they provide the body with the fuel it needs to restore damaged cells, increase blood circulation to critical areas, and strengthen the delicate neural pathways that control both memory and vision. As you sleep, the compounds within walnuts silently carry out their work, rebuilding and renewing in ways that no pill or supplement can truly replicate. The omega-3 fatty acids in walnuts are essential for brain function. Your brain is made up largely of fat, and omega-3 plays a vital role in keeping the membranes of your brain cells flexible and healthy. These fatty acids improve the way neurons communicate with each other, enhancing memory recall, focus, and learning ability. During sleep, when the brain consolidates memories and repairs itself, the presence of omega-3 helps ensure that these processes occur more efficiently. This is why including walnuts before bed is so valuable. They not only provide energy, but also give your brain the raw materials it needs for restoration. Alongside omega-3s, walnuts are loaded with antioxidants such as polyphenols and vitamin E, which neutralize harmful free radicals that can damage both brain and eye tissues. This antioxidant action is especially important for protecting against age-related decline, such as memory loss or blurred vision for your eyes. Walnuts bring unique benefits that are often overlooked. The optic nerves, which connect the eyes to the brain, depend on strong circulation and a steady supply of nutrients to function effectively. Walnuts help by improving blood flow and reducing inflammation, 2 factors that play a key role in protecting eyesight. Regular intake of walnuts has been linked with reduced risk of conditions like macular degeneration and cataracts, which are often the result of oxidative stress and poor nutrition. The vitamin E in walnuts acts as a shield for the eye's delicate tissues, preventing damage from ultraviolet light and environmental toxins. At night, as your eyes rest, these protective compounds go to work repairing the wear and tear from the day, leaving your vision clearer and more resilient over time. Memory is not just about recalling facts. It is about the efficiency of the brain's communication system. Walnuts provide compounds that support neurotransmitters, the chemicals that transmit signals between nerve cells. When neurotransmitters are functioning optimally, your memory becomes sharper and your ability to concentrate improves. Walnuts also supply B vitamins and minerals like magnesium, which calm the nervous system and reduce stress hormones that interfere with memory and focus. Eating a handful of walnuts before bed allows these nutrients to stabilize your brain chemistry, preparing you for deep, restorative sleep. It is during these hours that the brain organizes information, repairs pathways, and strengthens the connections that are essential for long-term memory. Another overlooked aspect of walnuts is their effect on mood, which in turn influences cognitive health. Stress, anxiety, and low mood are common causes of poor concentration and memory decline. Walnuts contain tryptophan, an amino acid that helps the body produce serotonin, the hormone responsible for feelings of calm and well-being. By calming the nervous system and balancing mood, walnuts create the right environment for memory repair and mental clarity. When the body is relaxed and the mind is at ease, the processes of healing and regeneration happen more effectively during sleep. This is why the timing of walnut consumption matters. Eating them before rest maximizes their restorative potential. The synergy between walnuts and the natural rhythms of the body cannot be overstated. At night, the body enters a state of repair, detoxification, and renewal. Walnuts provide the perfect nutrients to support these processes, aligning with the body's innate intelligence. The healthy fats fuel the brain, the antioxidants cleanse the tissues, and the vitamins strengthen the eyes. This combination makes walnuts a simple yet profound tool for anyone seeking to preserve their memory and vision naturally. Instead of looking for complicated solutions, returning to what nature has already provided can be the most powerful step toward long-term health. Almonds are among the most nutrient-dense dry fruits, revered across cultures for their ability to nourish both the body and the mind. They are rich in vitamin E, zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats that directly support brain and eye health. When consumed regularly, and especially when taken before bedtime, almonds become a natural tool for repair, regeneration, and strengthening of vital functions. They do not work like artificial supplements that give temporary results. Instead, they work in harmony with your body's natural processes, providing the nutrients required to protect delicate tissues and enhance cognitive performance while you rest. This makes almonds an essential addition to any nightly ritual designed to improve memory, clarity of thought, and the resilience of your vision. One of the greatest gifts almonds provide is their abundance of vitamin E. This powerful antioxidant shields the brain and eyes from oxidative stress, which is one of the leading causes of aging and degeneration in these organs. The delicate tissues of the retina and the neural connections responsible for memory are especially vulnerable to free radical damage. Vitamin E neutralizes these harmful molecules, slowing down wear and tear and promoting repair during sleep. For the eyes, this means reduced risk of conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration, while for the brain it translates into sharper memory and improved retention. Regular intake of almonds has been shown to improve both long-term and short-term memory, making them a natural protector of mental clarity. Zinc is another key nutrient present in almonds that plays a crucial role in vision and brain function. This mineral supports the enzymes that repair and maintain cells in the retina, ensuring that your eyes remain strong even under strain from aging or environmental factors. At the same time, zinc contributes to neurotransmitter activity in the brain, allowing signals to be transmitted smoothly between nerve cells. This results in improved focus, better problem-solving skills, and enhanced ability to recall information. During the night, when the brain is actively consolidating memories, the presence of zinc from almonds supports this process, giving you greater clarity and sharper recall when you wake. Magnesium in almonds works on a deeper level by calming the nervous system. Stress and overactivity of the mind are among the most common causes of memory lapses and poor sleep. Magnesium relaxes the muscles, balances stress hormones, and promotes a state of calmness that allows for deeper sleep cycles. In this state, the brain has the opportunity to repair and reorganize itself, while the eyes rest and recover from daily strain. This calming effect of magnesium ensures that the nutrients in almonds are not only protecting your tissues, but also working in an environment that supports healing. A calm nervous system allows energy to be directed toward repair, instead of being wasted on stress responses, healthy fats in almonds, particularly monounsaturated fats, play a direct role in nourishing both the brain and the eyes. These fats support the structure of brain cell membranes, keeping them flexible and able to communicate effectively. They also improve circulation, ensuring that both the eyes and brain receive an adequate supply of oxygen and nutrients throughout the night. For vision, this improved circulation reduces dryness and prevents fatigue, making the eyes more resilient against long hours of use. For memory, healthy fats provide the brain with long-lasting energy, preventing fogginess and mental fatigue. This is why almonds are often referred to as a food that promotes sharpness and alertness. The practice of soaking almonds overnight further enhances their benefits. Soaking removes compounds that can inhibit nutrient absorption, making it easier for the body to unlock their full potential. Consuming soaked almonds before sleep provides a gentle but powerful release of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants throughout the night. This slow absorption matches the body's natural rhythm of repair, allowing the nutrients to be utilized at the exact time they are needed most. For the eyes, this means steady protection and recovery, and for the brain, it means constant nourishment while memory consolidation is taking place. Almonds also influence neurotransmitters, the messengers of the nervous system that regulate everything from mood to memory. By supporting the production of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter closely tied to learning and memory, almonds enhance the efficiency of communication within the brain. This leads to better focus, clearer thinking, and stronger retention of information. As the brain rewires itself during sleep, having the right nutrients available ensures that these neural connections are reinforced, allowing knowledge and experiences to be stored more effectively. This is a natural and sustainable way to strengthen memory without relying on external stimulants. Beyond their direct effects on memory and vision, almonds also promote overall vitality, which indirectly enhances these functions. They stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes that affect mental performance. They provide protein that supports tissue repair, including the microscopic structures of the eyes and brain. They are even known to improve circulation, which ensures that oxygen-rich blood reaches the most sensitive areas of the body during sleep. This overall strengthening effect means that almonds do not just target one aspect of health, but create a foundation for long-term resilience and clarity. Raisins may appear small and simple, but within these tiny dried grapes lies a concentration of nutrients that bring powerful benefits to both the brain and the eyes. They are rich in natural sugars, iron, antioxidants, and polyphenols that directly support memory function and vision health. Taken before bedtime, raisins provide a steady source of energy for the brain and deliver protective compounds to the eyes, ensuring that as the body rests, critical repairs are made. Unlike refined sugar that leads to spikes and crashes, the natural glucose and fructose in raisins are slowly released, providing the brain with a steady stream of fuel throughout the night. This sustained energy allows for better memory consolidation, sharper focus, and improved mental clarity. When you wake, one of the most significant contributions raisins make to eye health is their rich antioxidant profile. Polyphenols and flavonoids found in raisins act as defenders against oxidative stress, which is a major cause of degeneration in the retina and other delicate structures of the eye. By neutralizing free radicals, these compounds prevent damage to the cells responsible for vision, reducing the risk of blurriness, strain, and age-related conditions such as cataracts and macular degeneration. Raisins also contain vitamin A in the form of beta-carotene, which is essential for maintaining clear vision, especially in low light conditions. As you sleep, these nutrients go to work repairing microscopic damage to the eye tissues, leaving your vision sharper and more resilient. Raisins also support strong circulation, a critical factor for both brain and eye function. The iron content in raisins helps build healthy red blood cells that carry oxygen to every part of the body, including the retina and the brain's neurons. Adequate oxygen supply ensures that cells function at their peak and that repair processes are not hindered during sleep. For the brain, this means enhanced clarity, better memory recall, and greater resistance to fatigue. For the eyes, it means that tissues remain nourished and less vulnerable to strain, even after long periods of use. This oxygen-rich environment created by raisins is especially valuable at night. When the body's repair mechanisms are most active, memory relies heavily on a steady supply of glucose, which is the brain's primary energy source. Without it, concentration, focus, and retention all suffer. Raisins provide this glucose in a natural form, free from the harmful effects of processed sugars. This makes them an ideal nighttime food for memory support. As the brain organizes and consolidates information during sleep, the natural sugars from raisins keep neurons active and efficient. At the same time, the antioxidants present in raisins protect these neurons from damage, ensuring that the communication pathways within the brain remain strong. This combination of nourishment and protection creates the conditions for sharper memory and greater mental agility. Raisins are also rich in boron, a trace mineral often overlooked but vital for cognitive function and bone health. Boron enhances the brain's ability to process information, improves coordination, and supports the retention of new knowledge. During sleep, when the brain is naturally engaged in reinforcing neural pathways, the presence of boron strengthens this process, making learning more effective and long-term memory more secure. This is one of the hidden reasons raisins have been used traditionally as brain food in many cultures, even though the scientific explanations were not known at the time. Another important effect of raisins is their ability to regulate blood pressure and reduce inflammation, both of which directly benefit the brain and the eyes. High blood pressure can damage the tiny blood vessels in the retina, leading to vision problems, while chronic inflammation can interfere with cognitive function. The potassium and antioxidants in raisins counteract these risks by relaxing blood vessels, improving circulation, and reducing oxidative stress. As this balance is restored, the brain and eyes are able to function in a healthier environment, which supports long-term protection against decline. Raisins also contribute to better sleep quality, which indirectly enhances their benefits to memory and vision. They contain natural compounds that help regulate serotonin and melatonin, the hormones responsible for sleep and relaxation. A restful night of sleep allows the body to maximize the nutrients from raisins, ensuring that the repair and regeneration of brain and eye tissues occur smoothly. When sleep is deep and restorative, memory is consolidated more effectively, and the eyes have the opportunity to recover from strain. This creates a cycle in which raisins not only supply nourishment, but also help create the conditions necessary for that nourishment to be fully utilized. The small size of raisins belies the power they hold. They carry within them concentrated energy, protective antioxidants, essential minerals, and vitamins that target the most sensitive and vital organs of the body. By eating raisins before bed, you align with the natural rhythm of your body's healing process. They deliver steady energy to the brain, stabilize and protect the eyes, and supply the tools needed for repair. What seems like a simple habit becomes a profound way of strengthening memory, preserving vision, and ensuring clarity of mind as you rest through the night